Good day everyone, it's Children PH. We have here another test. So this is our DJI Neo 2. We will test the gem fan propeller, the D51, as we do before in our original DJI Neo. So this is the 5 blade. Maybe someone of you are thinking to upgrade their propeller also. I'm here to test for you, okay? So that you will know if who is better, the original or the 5 blade, okay? So let's gotta test the speed and the battery lifetime, okay? So we're gonna first check the original props. We will check the climb speed and the speed, okay? If how many kilometers per hour. Okay, so let's get it on. So at the end of the video, we will try the battery lifetime, okay? Let's go. Okay, so home point. We'll try. So let's try here. Manual mode. Okay, like that. Stuck. Okay, so we'll try again here. Okay. So we'll stay here. Okay. So let's get it on. Let's see the speed. 53, the latest. See the speed. Speed 49, 50, 51, 53. Oh, 54. I reached 54, guys. 54. Okay, so one more. Original is fast than the 5-inch i5 blade. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Speed 50. Full 50, 50. Try one more climb. See the difference. Okay. Climb 19. Or 22. Okay. 61 kilometers per hour. Oh, 60 kilometers. 61 kilometers per hour. Okay. So let's go again. Speed. Okay, so that's it. Okay, go home. So let's check also the 5 blade, the Gempan D51. Let's go. Okay, smooth. Okay, smooth tayo. Dito tayo. Okay. Taas muna natin. Tingnan natin kung kaano. Okay. So, manual mode. Okay, so testing natin yung ano dito. Testing natin yung speed. Speed. Okay, yan. Testing speed. Okay. Speed. Sa green. 45 kilometers per hour lang. Oh. 50, 54, 50. Ayan. Okay, so almost 50. 50 lang guys yung bilis. Baba tayo, masyado tayo mataas. Okay. Subukan natin mag-flip. Flip. Okay naman. Okay naman yung rate. So okay naman siya sa ano siguro. Okay naman siya sa ano natin. Subukan natin ulit yung speed. Speed niya. Subukan natin speed. Okay, so dito tayo. Try the speed. Dito tayo magsisimula sa dulo. Ayan, para mahawa yung buwelo niya. Kung ilang kilometro ang kayang abutin. Kung kanong bilis. Ito. Bilis. Yan. Parang mabagal siya ang pag-up. Nasa 52. Pinakamabilis. 52. 52. O 53 naabot niya. 53 kilometers per hour. Okay. Nice. Subukan naman natin yung climb. Simula tayo sa baba. Okay, so let's go to climb. Itong ano na ito, yung camera niya kasi napakababa. Simula sa mababa. Okay. So climb. Climb. Ang gaano kabilis ang climb. Impact detected. Pag binirit mo ang bilis niyang umakyat. Impact detected. Hindi mo ginagalaw. Back impact detected. Manual mode. Okay. I go for climb. Manual mode. Okay, so climb. Climb 25 kilometers per hour. Pag-impact detected siya. Low battery at home. Okay. So how come it's low battery? Impact detected, hindi nga na ano. Mabilis siya sa 5 propeller. Okay. So ipalit natin yung stock propeller. Then ito-try natin ang pinagkaiba. Okay. So this is the battery life comparison, guys. So I will put the sound also. What is the sound indoor? Okay, so that's the end of our comparison, guys. Hope you like it and help you a little bit. For me, my opinion, it's better the original, guys. Better stay with the original props. Okay, so this is the original props. This is better for flight time and for the speed. No need to get the 5-blade, guys. If you want to better experience about the FPV, you can get the Pabo drones. Like the Pabo 20 Pro, you can get it. I will put it in the description below. So that's only. Thank you and happy flying. Till next time.